Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you China has actually released a open source AI model which is called as Qwen. You can actually see on your screen this is the official website of this AI model. It's a really powerful model that the latest version is 3.6. You can simply search this on Google Qwen AI. If you simply search it on Google, the very first website which comes directly, this is the official website Qwen right here. And it's completely free open source. You can directly go to this website, directly use it to build out coding applications. You can generate images, videos, everything you can do. It so you simply go to this chat.quen.ai. So right here you can log in with your Google account. So it's completely open source and it's actually destroying AI models which are premium such as Claude, Chat GPT, OpenAI. So once you land on this, you will be landing on this chat interface. So right here, you will exactly, this is the latest version, which is 3.6 plus version. And from here, you exactly tell the model what sort of application you want to develop. So you simply say image to PDF web app in browser, please run. So you exactly tell the inside the chat prompt. So after that, now the AI will start developing the application from scratch with full syntax highlighting. So you will actually see once it completes, it will also run the application side by side as well. So from my personal opinion, I actually tried this model for over a year now. So it's actually giving me very good results. So especially the speed of the generation of code is very insane as compared to other models. So it's free, unlimited. You can build out unlimited coding applications. You come to this interface, simply go to this, and it's developed by China. So this Qwen model, chat.quen.ai. So once it completes, you will see the application will be built. It will also be shown the live preview as well. So it has also its own API CLI platform as well. So this is their own API. So if you want to, so these are different rates which are there. So this is the CLI tool which they offer. You can directly build out coding applications directly inside command line. So this is the command by which you can simply install this. So simply copy this and go to your terminal and you can install this CLI tool using the curl command. I have already done that. So once you launch Qwen, you simply type this in the terminal. So this terminal tool will open right here. So it's an all-in-one AI coding platform for building quality coding applications. It's a really insane model. So now to get started, you need to specify your own API key. Quen is discontinued as you see that. So, or if you are enrolled in their paid plan, you can do that as well. So you bring your own API key from here. So the best option is that you come to the chat interface and right here you can build out coding applications directly. So once it finishes, it will also show you the live preview. And if you want to install this directly inside your local machine, the best option is go to simply olama.com. Simply search for this model Qwen 3.6. So this is their latest coding model, Qwen 3.6 model. So from here you can directly install Olama inside your machine. Directly download this model inside your machine. So the size is 24 gigabyte. So you should have at least a good machine to actually run this model locally inside your machine. So simply install this to run this, download this model locally. So it's completely open source. It directly runs inside your browser. So you can see it is still writing the code here. You still also download option is also there. You can click the download button to actually download the full source code. So you can just see here it is really popular model for specifically for coding. you can even ask follow-up questions as well. And you can even attach your own files by clicking the plus button, and you can attach images, you can create videos, you can create images, you can create web development, slides, everything you can do from here. So it's not limited to coding only, it can generate images, videos, everything it can do. So now you can see it has generated this fully fleshed full stack coding application, and you can download the code like this. So now I will show you how to generate images. So from here you simply select this option of create image. So if you want to create a thumbnail, so I will say, so you write the prompt here and instantly it will generate a high quality full HD image. So you can see that it can generate code, it can generate images, and same goes with videos as well. You click the create video button and it will instantly create everything for you. So we are on the free plan here. As you can see, I haven't enrolled in any paid plan. I simply log in with my Google account, which is completely free. And you can see there is no watermark out there. It instantly generated a full HD image for you. Two guys coding on laptop. And now once again, if you want to create a video, you simply write. So you simply write the prompt here, and now the video will be generated as you see once it reaches 100%. So many people don't talk about this model. It's a very highly underrated model, but it still works all the time. It doesn't give you any warning, subscription notice. It does the job completely free, and it's a completely open source model. It's really fast as well. So the latest model, which is Qwen 3.6, it's a really powerful AI model for anything you can generate using this. And it's completely owned by China, which is Alibaba cloud company. It's a really insane model. So definitely come to this website and start generating. So once it completes, so for videos it took a little bit more time, but it's completely free. Once it reaches 100%, you will be able to see the video and download the video. You can even edit this image as well. So once it completes generating the video, then you can also edit this image. So you also get the edit button as well, or create video. All these buttons you get. So definitely check out this model chat.quen.ai. It's a Chinese based model.